Hello, I'm here to show you how to replace the BOA M3 knob on Simms wading and fly fishing boots. You should have received in the mail the BOA M3 replacement knob kit, which contains the instructions, also available online at www.boatechnology.com, a replacement M3 knob, spool, and T6 tool. Please note, there is a second kit available which contains the replacement lace. To remove the knob, insert your T6 tool into the center of the knob, rotate counterclockwise to loosen. Remove the old knob. Take the new knob, insert the screw into the center of the housing. Reinsert your tool, rotate clockwise to tighten. Be sure that the knob is tight by popping out the knob and spinning the knob to ensure that there is no free spin, and make sure that the knob is also not wobbling. You have now replaced the BOA M3 knob.